Hey guys, this is your ABC writing tablet, page 43 and 44. All right, your lowercase s is going to go in the downstairs. It's a wiggly snake. Curve up, curve down, and around. Let's see. In your pen. Curve up and down. Under the dotted line. Curve up, curve around, curve up. All right, and your capital S is going to go in the top and the bottom, the upstairs and the downstairs. Big curve down and then curve back up. Big curve down, then curve back up. Big curve down and curve back up. Big curve down and curve back up. Big curve down and curve back up. Next is circle the pictures that begin with the S sound. So what about this number? 6. Do you hear S at the beginning of 6? Yes. This is a picture of a hat. Hat. Do you hear S? No. What about this? This is a picture of a saw. Saw. Yes. This is a picture of a sun. Do you hear S at the beginning of sun? I do. What about the seal? Seal. Yes. Flip over on the back. Do your lowercase s, which is in the bottom, the downstairs. Curve down, curve back up. Curve down and curve back up. Up your lowercase is going to be from the top to the bottom. Curve down, curve back up. Curve down and curve back up. It almost looks like a wiggly snake. All right, we're going to write this blend down here in the downstairs. Curve down, curve back up, and write your U, a smile with a pull down. Curve down, curve back up, a U with a pull down. Sa. So I wonder what word we're writing. Sun. Good. Trace the letters in the water. Swing down and back up. Swing down and back up. Swing down and back up. Swing down. Good job, guys.